We are moving on to page 6, number 5. So these 3 songs at the bottom of page 6 are all different combinations of the notes we just learned. E, D, and C. So we're going to have to be able to tell the difference between E, D, and C with our eyes. So let's check it out. There are 2 line notes, sort of. E is definitely on a line. It's on the E line, right? So that's easy to find. It's on the bottom line of the 5 lines of the staff. D doesn't have a line or a space. It's just hanging out with it by itself. C is so low, they had to add a special line called the ledger line. And that, I think, is easy to see with our eyes. So we just have to make sure, I think the difference is hard to see between E and C. So E is the one in the real staff, C is the one with a special line. Let's say the notes for number 5, okay? This time, instead of pointing to the notes, I want you to do your fingers on your clarinet while you say the letters, okay? So you can hold it in rest position while you do that, or if you want to hold it in playing position, that's fine. We're going to say the notes for number 5 using our eyes as the pointer to tell us what to do with our fingers. So here we go, saying the notes for Mix 'em Up. 1, 2, say the notes. E, rest. 2, 3, 4. D, rest. 2, look ahead so you know what's going on. C, rest. 2, 3, 4. D, rest, and the song's over. Cool, let's play. Here we go, number 5. Starting with E fingers. Lick your reed. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest and switch to D. Add a finger. Rest and switch to C. Add a finger. Switch to D. Ready, go. Let's keep the beat going. Make sure you're tapping your foot with me. We're going to go right to number 6. Number 6 starts with a D. So keep your D fingers down. Please make sure you're making a nice T sound before you blow so it doesn't sound slappy at the beginning. Each note sounds very strong with a T sound. Here we go, number 6. Start with D. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest. 2, 3, switch to C. Switch to E. Ready, go. Back to D. Ready, go. Rest, and the song's over. Okay, before we move on to number 7, we want to make sure that we're actually looking ahead while we're in the rest so you know what to do with your fingers. Okay, so that's why they're being generous right now with the rests, so you can look ahead. When you're done with this video, you should go back and play all these songs 2 times a day, starting with number 1 twice, number 2 twice, number 3 twice, you get the idea, okay, till you feel like you're really good and ready to do your recordings. I'm going to send you a YouTube playlist that has all the recordings of these songs so you can play along and it sounds like a whole band is playing. Also, if you have the book, the Enhanced Edition book, that means it has a purple ribbon on the front cover, you have access to all those recordings on your computer so you can look up how to do that. But I will also send the YouTube playlist because that's actually just easier. Let's try it. Number 7, last song of page 6. It starts with a C, so get your C fingers ready. Lick your reed, and here we go. 1, 2, number 7, play. Rest, switch to D, go. Rest, switch to E, go. Back to C, ready, go. Rest, and the song's over. You might have noticed when you have to go from E to C, 2 fingers have to go down at the same time. So you need your fingers to close like a mouth. So can we just try E, C, E, C? Let's play that. Notice how you have to stop the air before you move your fingers. Otherwise, I hear this. I don't want to hear all those extra sounds. I just want to hear an E and a C. So try it again. Okay? So you can practice every song on this page 2 times a day. Pick your 4 days that you want to practice, and then you'll be ready to record your homework assignment.